we are in the middle of davening the Amidah, we accidentally lose our balancing or footing when we say Kadosh 3 times, do we have to start over again, or do we continue to daven?
Kadosh 3 times. So just so we know. So when we daven by ourselves, men, women, does not matter. So we do not say this Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. This Gdusha, this part of Gdusha, it's only when you in Minyan, at least 10 men involved, 10 adult men. So it's usually in a synagogue, or if you have at home Minyan, there is no problem. Then the women also are obligated to say, but otherwise we do not say it, not during the personal davening. And if you're in such environment, I mean, nobody's going to wait. I mean, if you're able to answer, you answer. If you not answer, so they're going to continue. For example, you're a little behind. So if you're in the middle of the Shemoneh, let's say, and community starts saying Kadosh, 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 I mean, okay, you just keep quiet. So there is no problem. So very important, Kedusha is only when you have Minyan of 10 grown-up men.